Feel how nice and warm it is in there?
Oh my God, what's wrong?
Kyle's gone out.
What?
I took her with me to do laundry and she was in the basket. She ran off and I went after her, but I'm sorry.
I'm gonna go find her. Maybe it's karma. We weren't allowed to keep her anyway.
It's all my fault.
It was an accident. It's just stress after stress, you know?
Is there something else wrong?
My parents really want me to come home for Thanksgiving.
You don't want to go.
Emily died 2 days before Thanksgiving. It hasn't always been the most festive holiday in the Matthews household. I know I should be there, but it's like there's a ghost at the table, you know? So,
You can come with me. Spend Thanksgiving in my house.
your folks wouldn't mind?
Please.
Stephen also asked me to stay. But thank you.